In this video, we'll show you how to add FAQs to your website to assist your members with any general queries or questions they may have about your organisation. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then FAQs. Then click on the Add FAQ button. Enter the title for the FAQ into the title field, and you can enter a number into the sort order field. This is one way of determining what order the FAQ is displayed in. This step is optional here. Type the answer to the question in the free text field. When you're done, click the Add FAQ button. The sort order can also be changed here by clicking and dragging the titles to the position required. FAQs can then be viewed by your members by heading to your PTA from the main navigation and then FAQs. And that's it, you've now successfully added FAQs to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.